Are you thinking about starting your own business in Texas? Well, an LLC is a great way to protect your personal assets while enjoying tax flexibility. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to start an LLC in Texas, from choosing a name to getting your EIN and your licenses. Plus, I'll share some crucial tips on maintaining your LLC so you don't run into trouble later. Let's get started. Now, first, you'll need to choose a unique name that complies with Texas state regulations. Your LLC's name must include limited liability company, LLC, or LLC with periods. It cannot be too similar to existing business names in Texas, and it must use words that don't imply a government affiliation like FBI or Treasury. If you plan to operate under a different name, you can file a DBA, doing business as. To check name availability, go to the Texas Secretary of State's business name database. Now, if your name is available, you can reserve it for 120 days for a $40 fee. Every Texas LLC must have a registered agent. This is the person or business entity that's responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Your agent must have a physical address in Texas, no PO boxes allowed, be available during business hours, and they can be an individual or registered service. Of course, you can act as your own registered agent, but many business owners prefer using a professional service, that way to maintain privacy and ensure compliance. Now, one of the most trusted options out there is Northwest Registered Agent. They're known for their reliable service and commitment to privacy. They handle legal notices on your behalf and keep your personal address off public record, which gives you an extra layer of security. Now that it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation, Form 205 with the Texas Secretary of State. This document includes your LLC's name, your registered agent's name and address, of course, your business purpose, which can be pretty broad, your LLC's management structure, whether you're member managed or manager managed, and of course the organizer's signature. You can file online using the Texas Secretary of State's website or by mail by sending the form to the PO box. Filing fee is $300, non-refundable. The state typically processes filings in 10 to 12 business days. Now, if you need faster processing, you can pay for expedited service. An EIN or employer identification number is like a social security number for your business, and you will need it to open a business bank account, file your taxes, hire employees, and apply for licenses and permits. The best part is that it's free. Just visit the IRS website and fill out the online application, and you'll receive your EIN instantly. If you'd rather have someone take care of this step for you, Northwest Registered Agent also offers EIN registration assistance, help streamline the process. Just makes things a little faster. So with that being said, let's move on to the operating agreement, which isn't required in Texas, but it's a smart idea, especially if your LLC has multiple owners. Now, this document outlines each member's ownership percentage, voting rights and decision-making processes, profit and loss distribution, how members join or leave the LLC, and rules for dissolving the LLC. Think of it as a business prenup. It keeps things clear and helps prevent disputes down the road. If you need a professionally crafted operating agreement, you can also use Northwest Registered Agent because they provide customized templates tailored to your business needs. Now, depending on your industry, you may need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Now, some common examples of this include a sales tax permit for businesses selling products, health permits for restaurants and food businesses, and professional licenses for like lawyers, doctors, contractors, etc. Check with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation and your local county clerk to see what's required for your business. If you're not sure which permits you need, Northwest Registered Agent offers compliance assistance to help you navigate the process effortlessly. Now, to protect your personal assets, you must keep your business finances separate from personal finance. Open a business checking account and consider getting a business credit card to maintain liability protection, keep your accounting clean, and build business credit. Now, once your LLC is set up, you'll need to stay compliant to avoid penalties. Here's what you need to do annually. File the Texas Franchise Tax Report, renew business licenses and permits, keep business and personal finances separate, and update any changes with the Secretary of State. Failure to file required reports could result in your LLC being shut down, so you want to stay on top of these filings. If you don't want to worry about missing deadlines, you can also use Northwest Registered Agent again, because they offer compliance reminders and filing services to keep your LLC in good standing. It's always good to have someone there to remind you. Northwest Registered Agent's good for a lot of things, because if all this sounds overwhelming, you can use a business formation service like Northwest Registered Agent to handle everything for you. They offer name availability search, registered agent service, filing of certificate of formation, EIN registration assistance, and ongoing compliance reminders. These services save you a lot of time and ensure everything is filed correctly the first time. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to start an LLC in Texas. Now, whether you do it yourself or use a formation service, key is to stay compliant and separate your personal and business finances. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more business startup tips. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description box. Drop your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.